Hey guys, my name is Alicia. I'm a hairstylist and welcome back to Lunata Beauty's YouTube channel. Today, I am gonna show you how to do a nice French curl wave, which just creates a really beautiful soft bend in the hair using the Belisa Cordless Flat Iron. So it comes in two colors. We've got black and white, and it has these adorable rose gold accessories. So to turn it on, you just press the power button. And you want to give it a couple minutes to heat up. So the max temperature on this guy is 420. So to prep her hair, I'm going to use the Give Me Life Volumizing Dry Shampoo. So I'm just going to spray it about 6 to 12 inches from the root. And you can see how it's already given her hair a little bit of lift. So I'm taking a 1-inch section and I'm going to clip the rest away with the Lunata jaw clips. And what I'm going to do is take her hair and I'm just creating a nice soft bend. Do not touch your style until it's cooled down. You want to think of hair like hot wax, like a candle. It's the same with the hair. I'm going to use my flat iron to curl away from the face. And now that I'm working towards the back of the head, and because this section is going to be underneath my top section, again, I'm not going to overthink it. And I'm just going to create a nice soft bend in the hair, working the iron back and forth like so. And on my top section here, I'm going to curl away from the face to create that nice effortless volume. And I'm just going to pull it forward. And there you go. So we're going to give Indu the tool now, and she's going to show you how you can recreate this look on yourself at home. And again, it's supposed to be nice and undone. I'm going to take our iron, clamp it, and move it forward and backward like so. So for the top section of her hair, she's going to clamp at the root and curl away from the face. And then you can go through your whole head and touch up any pieces that you see that might need a little more bend or a little more curl. The great thing about the Belisa flat iron is that it lasts for 40 minutes, so you have ample time to style your hair. And using the Give Me Life Volumizing Dry Shampoo, she's going to finesse her hair and give it a little volume. So guys, now that we've shown you how to create a beautiful soft bend, I am going to show you how to create a little bit of pieciness on your ends for those times when you're at home or you're in between haircuts, just to lighten it out a little bit. So the Groom Me kit comes with 2 pairs of scissors. So we've got our regular shear, which actually cuts length, and our texturizing shear, which can help blend or thin the hair out. So now Indu is going to show you how to do it yourself. Indu's going to take small 1-inch sections, pull it away from her face, and on the top layer, just release some of that weight out of the hair. And there you have it, our finished look, a nice, fluffy, undone lob created using our Belisa Cordless Flat Iron.